At least it's not raining. Everything's going in the wash. Whoa. Let's have a look. Incredible. I don't like riding on roads. It's the wrong position for me. Well, there's hardly anyone out here. I've come across one hiker and 2 dog walkers. There's always something to see. Thank you. Up here, isn't it? I know. Keep going. Yeah, there's no one else cycling. That's why. It's so muddy. But with an e-bike, you do, you can take on a bit more. It doesn't sap your energy. That's what mud can do. I think I'm mad. I think we'll go use the roads on the way back. What do you think? Oh, someone else walking along here. A bit more civilization up this end. We've got a hiker. I should keep left, but she's already on the right. Hello. Hello. I think it's worth saying hello. Puddle. What is this? That's someone's house. It's a private road that leads to someone's house. It's like an old barn. Whoa, what's this? National Trust, Common Marsh. Please help protect this beautiful place by observing the bylaws on the back of this sign. Wow. There's a couple of people walking down there. What's that? No ground disturbing, protected place. Someone do metal detecting in there. Maybe I'll find some Roman gold coins or something. I'll just go around the edge. Looks like everything's going in the wash again. I guess this is what you call living. I am alive. I'm going to have to check the GPS thing because we've been travelling a long way and I've no idea where we are. I mean, are we up to Stockbridge yet? It'd be nice to know. Another little break in the journey. I won't get nicked. Just having a look. We must be near Stockbridge. There's a church there. Yeah, there's loads of dog walkers down there. Now that must be like the walking trail that you can't walk along, well, cycle along. So we get the horrible, but Well, it's not horrible, it's just a bit darker, I guess. We're going to keep going. Going through these puddles. Oh, we got a hiker. Hello. Alright, we're coming out to something. Or does it just continue? It just continues. My goodness me. What are we coming up to is a very waterlogged part of the road, if you can call this a road. Let's go up in here. There's a house. Oh, I slip. What is this area? It's another sign telling people to keep safe. There's some houses there, so we're coming back into civilization. So we must be close to Stockbridge. Oh, it just tells you where the dog bins are. We've got a couple of ducks. No, not ducks. I was imagining it. Got a couple of hikers, that is. That's what I've really seen. Oh, there's someone else there. Wow, there's like a barn there. Thank you. Thank you. We come out to the end of this trail, it looks like. That must have been about 5 miles. Bone shaking. 246. What do we do now? I'm going to stop here, have a little rest. So there's a little bit more to go to Longstock. Oh wow, there's a little bridge down there. You can hear the water. Wow, I've never been to Stockbridge. Lovely houses on the left there, and on the right. So we got to keep going and find this 246 route. Guess it goes up here. I think we go straight on. Yeah, that's what that sign says. Wow, this is the town centre, I guess. This is Stockbridge. There's the church. You can see the spire. Andover 9 miles. Ink Pen Beacon 26. Are you serious? So I'm just going to cycle that far? I'm not sure if this is off-road, this bit. We are a long way from home, because there's actually a sign for Petersfield. Now we want to look for a sign saying Longstock, and this is a cycleway apparently. It's not signposted anywhere. We go straight through to Longstock, and it should be signposted for this Cleve Hill and Danebury Hill, or Ball Hill, I can't remember which one it was. Oh, it goes back onto off-road. Alright. Whoa, this is like slippery mud. Slipping and sliding on this. Whoa. I don't know if anyone's done this kind of journey from Southampton to up to here by bike on this road. Down here. Oh God. Yeah, this would be great in the summer. You can just really cane it, but I can't. Oh, it's slippery and muddy. I think this is the furthest I've ever travelled off-road. There's a pheasant in there. Pheasant's gone. Come on. Gotta be there. What's this on the left? There's a trail going up here. Oh, it goes up to the road. Well, this is the turning. Oh, it's just a bridge over this bridleway. Let's check the map. Left and right. It should be signposted. I can't believe we've gone this far. Let's go, go, go. This is the road to Longstock. What is this place? It's like fast running water. There's the other side. There's a little bridge here. Wow, this place is amazing. Oh, I've seen this on Facebook. I don't know what they are. I don't know what a hut is. They take pictures on Facebook of these places and they don't tell you where they are. So it's a bit of a challenge to find them. When you do find them, it's like, wow. Alright, we're going to need to look for a junction in Longstock and turn left and then right again. What a journey this has been. There's someone's house on the river. That's pretty. This is Longstock. And I think this is the junction. Pete Spade Inn. This is it. Nice thatched house. It's like Harry Potter land, I think. It's Church Road. There's an old phone box. It's a library. There's books in there. You can see all the books in there. Yeah, it was on the news that there's some conjunction with Jupiter and some other planet, and it looks like a star apparently, and that only happens every 800 years. It was thought that it was like the Bethlehem star that the three wise men used to go to Bethlehem. That's what I read. This is a lovely part of town. This is like a really peaceful village. Just going to use a bit more power. Oh, there's that old car again. It's old Ferrari, I think. The view's going to be even lovelier. When we get to the top of the hill. Bottom road, this is it. I think we need to go up there. Oh, first time I've seen some cyclists along here. We're going to stop filming now because it's just a road. So we'll catch you at somewhere interesting, or probably at the hill. Well, here we are at the end of that road, and we're on the Stockbridge road outside this farm. There's some really big cows over there. But look at the view here. This is going to be even better when we get on top of Danebury Hill. It's beautiful out here. This is awesome. And it's the first left. It should be signposted. Field, and I think that is Danebury Hill. That'll be the top. And there's a bit of a climb to get up here. So does anyone come out here by bike? There's a little signpost there. There's a little pull in here. What does the sign say? The Willows, Stock Lane. That says restricted byway. We're on top of the world here. The map says, but there's a road. That way will take you to the hill. That way will take you to the hill. It's restricted byway. But if we go further down, there's a road. I don't know what we'll find there. I haven't been here even by car. What a view. Ah, there's a sign saying left. This is it. Whoa, car park's full. Danebury Hill Fort. I guess you could park all your cars up here actually. There's quite a few parking spaces. And quite a few cows. Wow, we're up some quite high elevation. There's toilets there. What's the sign? No drone flying. The toilets are closed. No bikes up there for a minute. There's no cycling up here, so I'm just going to take a look. Nearly there. I guess there's the fort is over there. You can see for miles. I see the smoke over there. This is amazing. Now there's another hill over there. I don't know if I've got the energy to do that today. But it's a nice clear day almost. It's cloudy, but there's a long way down. This is awesome. The other hill is over there somewhere. Yeah, pretty cool place to come. So the fort is over there somewhere, but I don't want to leave my bike for too long, so we're gonna come back another day. Oh good, my bike's still there. Thank goodness for that. It's only busy around here, isn't it? Shame the toilets are closed. Oh, let's walk through this mud. Oh. We'll have a little drink. Danebury Hill Fort, Iron Age, was constructed 2,500 years ago. And it was occupied by a tribe of 300 people for 400 years. It's time to go. 11 o'clock, made good time. Go home by road, we should be home for lunch. Hello horsey. Yes, I came by bike. He is mad. Alright, let's find a nice easy route home. Should be all downhill now. Whew! Wow. This is Danebury Hill Fort. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.